Hey, what up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continue working on our '03 Mustang. So in today's video we're going to be doing some welding and we're going to fix the fender first thing. And let me show you what I'm talking about. This thing right here, I don't know if you can see it, but has a little dent. I kind of want to get this off so I can kind of straighten it up as much as I can with a hammer. And then we get to weld these bad boys up. So they stay right there like that. But what I want to do is on the side right here where it meets, because they're supposed to be tack welded, I'm gonna kind of drill another hole here so that way I have a perfect weld to this solid beam, so that way it'll hold everything up perfectly. So it should stay like that. This thing right here as well, this one's a little bit tighter because I kind of forced it in a little bit here on this side, but I want to do the same thing, drill 2 holes right here so I can weld directly to the main steel. And then we're going to weld these things right here and try to put the whole front end back together. Alright, here's an update so far. Put the fender back, put the liner back in there, and here's the spot that we kind of fixed. It's pretty good. I don't know if I could catch it, but yeah, it's pretty good. You can see like a little bit of blemish right here, but it's pretty good. The hood lines up really good. Had to adjust both fenders just to make sure they're like evenly spaced out. And the front end is grinded, and now it's time to weld it all up together. But first I'm gonna add a crush bar on there, so that way it all even, hence that all kind of like lines up evenly. Alright, let's just stack it in place. Alright, so got it all tacked up now. I'm gonna remove the bumper support so that way I can weld the whole thing to the car right now. I'm just gonna double measure it again, make sure it's a same, about 21 inches and about 21 inches. So it is same.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing.
Alright, here's an update. The front rails have been welded. My welds are getting much better. This thing is solid, it's not gonna go anywhere. And this one is done too. I'm pretty proud of that weld. The 3-4 holes that I had to keep this thing firm. Alright, so this thing is really firm on there. Same thing with this one. So next thing is I need to go to Home Depot and get some bolts, because these ones don't actually work. There's no thread in here, so I cannot really thread it in, so I have to kind of get a custom bolts to hold the bumper support on there. And then the front end comes together.
Baby,
Alright, the header panel is on, the bumper absorber. Don't judge me on this one because I still didn't get mine, so I'm just gonna use this one to put a car back together. I know it looks shitty, but I'm gonna get a new one. But so far, looking good because I just want to put that bumper on, get the car inspected, and get ready to roll. But for right now, we're just gonna fix this one. I mean, it's up, but I want to like put some duct tape right there and maybe fix this bad boy up for right now. Alright, the fog lights and the fog light bezels are on, and I also riveted the brackets to the side of the bumper. You can see this bad boy. And I got this brand new tool at Home Depot. This thing is a killer. Like the front, the top swivels, so you could literally rivet in any position that you want, even this one. So cool. Alright, so right now let's get the whole bumper, the headlights, everything back on the car, so we'll be done with it. Wow, she is looking good. We'll just do a quick walk around. It looks really good from the front. Step back up. Man, she is looking good. We still have to do the hood, but this hood is gonna go into that car, and that hood is gonna go onto this car. But first thing I wanna do is I wanna pass the inspection, and I still need to change the windshield and do the airbags. So the next video is gonna be the airbags on this car, and then we get to have fun with it. We get to put all those good parts onto this car. It's gonna be one good looking car. like I always say, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. There's gonna be many more videos on this car, especially on this channel. So next thing we're gonna do on this car is gonna be an airbag. And after we're done with that one, we get to drive it on the street. So stay tuned for that. And then after that, we're gonna be moving all the good parts from my 03 Mustang to the 03 convertible one. So it should be a really good content for the next couple of videos. Bye.